My teaching transformation started, I think, when I was a little kid, when I would watch my favorite show, The Magic School Bus. Growing up, I wanted to be Miss Frizzle, and in some ways, I think I have become a lot like her. Going into this class after taking 2 semesters off from education courses was daunting and stressful, especially when we were introduced to the lesson plan format. When it came to presenting, I was extremely nervous. For the first time that we had to present, I was constantly laugh as a nervous reaction. Another problem that I would see in the first video is that I have this habit of standing with my hands together and I would be playing with my rings nervously to a point where it would be distracting to watch. Another issue was that I would stay in the same position and not move much. Over this course, learning how to present would be my biggest challenge. Although everyone else had a different field placement, I was able to place what I was learning in my class at Seton Hall into a classroom at St. Rosa de Lima Academy in Short Hills. I taught my lesson to 7th graders. Although the 2 classes combined had a total of 15 students, I began to feel more comfortable in front of them, more so than in my own classmates. Another experience in this class that helped me a lot was the observations at Summit Middle School. After seeing a couple teachers teach in a traditional setting, I learned that being myself and allowing some sarcasm could help me loosen up and be able to present better. Today, I have taken my experiences and learned to improve. I am now able to introduce a lesson without nervously laughing, as well as use my hands to effectively get my point across. Another thing that I have learned to correct is that I no longer fidget. I feel like I have become like Miss Frizzle because of my experiences. Although I will not dress up to match my lessons for the day like she did, this class has taught me what I want to implement in my classroom, as well as my career as a teacher. In the words of Miss Frizzle, I will encourage myself and my students to take chances, make mistakes, and get messy.